Picture this. 38 seniors will fall and land in a hospital by this video's end. Muscle loss is the silent thief. After 60, 33% of strength vanishes quietly. One typical food beats drugs, rebuilding muscle fast. Curious? Watch on. Muscle loss can be stopped. Harvard studies reveal foods that reverse it, even in your 80s. Here are the top 10 to stay strong. Comment your location below. Subscribe for more tips. Greek yogurt packs a muscle-saving punch. It has double the protein of regular yogurt, 15 to 20 grams per small cup. Casein, a unique nutrient, works slowly. It feeds muscles for hours. Studies from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition show it stops muscle breakdown at night. Seniors need this boost. Calcium and vitamin D keep bones and muscles strong. Probiotics help the gut fight inflammation. Tufts University says this combo slows muscle loss over the years. Ever wake up stiff? Nighttime muscle waste could be why. Greek yogurt fixes that quietly. Eat it before bed. Perfect timing. Plain full-fat kinds are best. Skip sugary ones, they sneak in trouble. Add berries or nuts for flavor. Try it 3 or 4 times a week. Easy to scoop, easy to love. Want more proof? Older adults in a Greek study ate this daily. Their strength held steady after 6 months. Regular yogurt users? Not so much. Texture matters too. Thicker means more protein per bite. Stock up. It's a fridge hero. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines save muscles. A small piece gives 20 grams of protein. Omega-3s cut inflammation that eats muscle away. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate fish twice weekly maintained greater strength over 3 years. Less fish, more loss. Omega-3s make protein work harder. Vitamin D fights weakness. Many seniors run low. A Birmingham study saw strength jump 17%, with more D. Wild-caught fish topping the list. Farmed? Still good, but not as great. Eat 2 servings a week. Grill, bake, or steam keeps the goodness in. Too busy? Fish oil pills help some. The whole fish wins every time. Ever tried sardines on toast? Quick and tasty. Science digs deeper. Omega-3s protect muscle cells from stress. Inflammation drops fast. Joints feel it too. Seniors in Japan eat fish daily. Their mobility stats beat most. Start small. 1 bite could change everything. Eggs are a muscle friend. Cheap and simple. 1 egg has 6 grams of excellent protein. The yolk adds leucine, a key builder. It wakes up sleepy muscles. Illinois studies show whole eggs beat whites by 40% after exercise. Yolks matter. No cholesterol scare. Old fears are gone. The British Medical Journal says 7 eggs weekly are safe. Heart health might even improve. Add 1 or 2 daily. Breakfast kicks it off right. Hard-boil them for quick snacks. Seniors love the ease. Pair with veggies or toast. Extra fuel. Ever drop an egg habit? Strength might have slipped too. One study tracked egg eaters over a year. Muscle held firm. Non-eaters weakened. Cooking tip. Soft-boiled keeps nutrients alive. Scrambled? Use low heat. Eggs adapt. Omelets, frittatas, anything. Convenience meets power. Keep a dozen handy. Your muscles will thank you. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds protect muscles. A handful of almonds gives 6 grams of protein. Magnesium keeps muscles moving. Low magnesium speeds loss. Don't risk it. Walnuts fight inflammation with plant omega-3s. Pumpkin seeds bring zinc for strength hormones. Vitamin E shields muscle cells. Tufts says it slows decline over time. Grab 1 to 2 ounces daily. Pre-portion keeps calories in check. Unsalted suits blood pressure worries. Toss in yogurt. Yum. Ever cramp up? Magnesium might be low. Nuts fix that fast. Studies show that seniors with more E stay stronger for longer. Walnuts shine in brain health too. Bonus. Pumpkin seeds sprinkle quickly on salads. Mix them up. Variety rules. A small study gave seniors nuts daily. Grip strength rose in 8 weeks. Seeds add crunch, never dull. Stash some in a bag. Muscle power on the go. Beans, like black beans and lentils, build muscle quietly. A cup has 15 grams of slow protein. Special starch feeds gut bugs. This cuts inflammation that hurts muscles. Fiber keeps blood sugar steady. No crashes, no muscle loss. Potassium and iron power muscle work. Tufts found 4 weekly servings beat rare eaters over 5 years. Weak legs, iron might be low, beans deliver. Start small if digestion's tricky. Soak beans or rinse canned ones. 3 to 4 servings weekly. Simple strength. Ever tried lentils in soup? Warm and easy. Studies link beans to better mobility in seniors. Black beans, spice up meals, tacos, anyone? Gut health ties to muscles, new science. A Spanish study gave seniors chickpeas weekly. Inflammation fell and strength rose. Canned beans save time, just drain well. Muscle fuel doesn't get cheaper. Spinach and kale save muscles. Surprise! Nitrates boost blood flow to muscles. Karolinska's studies say this lifts strength in seniors. Calcium and magnesium stop cramps. Vitamin K helps muscles use protein. Research ties K to less loss. 2 cups daily. Blend in smoothies or sauté. Pre-washed makes it simple. Ever feel sluggish? Blood flow might be off. Greens fix that. Seniors in a Dutch study ate spinach often. Muscle function climbed in 3 months. Kale chips, crisp and fun. Magnesium cuts weakness. Don't skip it. Toss greens in eggs. Double win. Nitrate power isn't just talk. Blood vessels open up and muscles breathe easier. 1 cup of spinach packs 40% of the magnesium needed. Easy to grow too. Pot on the porch? Seniors can do this. Olive oil fights muscle loss sneaky-like. Its special compound cuts inflammation, like a gentle helper. Louisiana studies show it protects muscle protein. It helps muscles use protein better too. Fats keep hormones strong. Priedman found daily use boosts power over 5 years. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. Drizzle on veggies. Easy and tasty. Ever notice stiff joints? Inflammation might be high. Oil eases that fast. Studies show a better grip on olive oil users. Extra virgin beats all. Freshness matters. Store it dark. Keeps the good stuff alive. Dip bread in it. Simple joy. A Mediterranean study tracked seniors for a decade. Muscles stayed firm with oil. Cooking tip: low heat preserves power. Drizzle after. Flavor pops. Blueberries and strawberries guard muscles with antioxidants. They stop the damage that ages muscles fast. Tufts says berries speed recovery. They calm inflammation, vital for seniors. Vitamin C builds muscle support tissue. 1 cup daily, fresh or frozen, works wonders. Add to yogurt or eat alone. Sweet and strong. Ever ache after moving? Free radicals might hit hard. Berries block that. A study gave seniors blueberries for weeks. Muscle bounce back improved fast. Strawberries pack C, collagen stays tough. Blackberries mix in smoothies, colorful power. Frozen saves money. Same punch. Inflammation drops with every bite. Seniors in a berry trial walked easier after a month. No sugar added, nature's candy. Snack on them, muscles cheer. Lean beef brings 25 grams of protein per small piece. Leucine sparks muscle growth, but aging needs more. Creatine adds energy. Iron and B vitamins keep muscles alive. McMaster studies show beef plus exercise beats plants for strength. 2 to 3 servings weekly. Sirloin's lean and good. Grass-fed has extra omega-3s. Ever feel drained? Iron might be low. Beef fixes it. Grill it tender. Sizzling strength. Studies tracked beef eaters for a year. Muscle gains topped others. Creatine fades with age. Beef brings it back. Zinc helps hormones too. Vital past 60. Pair with greens. Perfect plate. Roast it slow. Flavor explodes. Seniors in a strength trial ate beef twice weekly. Power climbed fast. Trim fat. Heart stays happy. Beef's a muscle champ. Try it. Whey protein is the muscle king. Its leucine beats all foods. It wakes up old muscles fast. McMaster found 40% better strength with whey. It digests quick. Boom, power, special nutrients, boost blood flow. They fight damage, too. Studies show gains even without exercise. Take 20 to 30 grams daily after moving is best. Mix with water or berries. No junk additives. Ever stumble more? Balance might slip. Whey steadies it. A Journal of the American Medical Directors study gave seniors whey for months. Strength and steps improved. Huge. Cysteine shields muscles from wear. Blend it smooth, tastes great. Seniors in a trial added whey post-walk. Muscle held strong, others faded. No dairy trouble. Hydrolyzed whey works. This one's the top fix. Don't miss it. Muscle isn't just looks, it's freedom. These 10 foods slow loss backed by science. Which do you eat? Feel stronger yet? Share below. Your story helps others. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.